We are the Green Warriors from Tianmu Elementary School. Our goal is to save energy and protect the earth.
In summer, our classroom is very hot. We use the air conditioner too much. This wastes electricity and money.
We used Tinkercad to design 2 classroom models. They were the same size as our real classroom, just smaller. Then we 3D printed them to test our energy-saving ideas.
One model had heat insulation film, the other did not. We used a lamp to heat both models and measure the temperature. We recorded the temperature every minute for 5 minutes.
The house without fuel got hotter, 5.7 Celsius. The house with fuel rose only 3.2 Celsius. This 44% lower.
We also use microbit to control a fan. It turns on at 28 Celsius and off at 26 Celsius. This helps delay the air conditioner. Each class can save 0.15 to 0.24 kilowatt per class. That saves up to 192 new Taiwan dollars per semester. All 12 6th grade classes might save over 2,000 new Taiwan dollars. It's good for the school and the earth.
We learned how to design code tests and share our project. We also shared our ideas with schools in other countries. Let's all be Green Warriors.